I'm slowly grinding myself through the flat surfaces of the frame. I find using this disc here very efficient. It sort of is fairly gentle to the frame, and it gets rid of the surface rust very efficiently. Where things gets a little bit more complicated, I have to use this fairly nasty bit here. Have to dress up more, protect myself more. It really flies, but it's efficient, and I need to get to a lot of difficult angles here. I obviously have a bunch of other smaller and different size brushes. There are so many little corners, impossible little places to get the old rust and grit off this frame before I paint it. But I have many different tools, and gradually it becomes bare metal, like down here. And it will be a great day very soon when I can spray paint and make this frame nice and black.